you so much. But we are not done yet. Please remain standing because we actually prepared something very special for both of you, especially for our birthday celebrant. We have a special guest tonight and we need your energy back. Pwede po ba natin itaas muli ang mga table napkins at iwagayway? Sino kaya itong special guest natin, no? Balita ko, galing sila sa ABS-CBN. Isang malakas na hiyawan! As we welcome our special guest for Ronald's 60th birthday, a warm round of applause for Mark Anthony and Man Basea! Wow and wow, thank you so much for your energy. Well, for the information of everyone, surprise po ang pagdating ng mga anak ng ating celebrant. Ladies and gentlemen, you may now take your seats.